I want a sandwich, but I don't have any bread. I forgot to buy some at the store. So we're gonna make some. Here we go. 3.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of yeast. I'm just gonna mix the dry ingredients up. You have to spill some on the floor. Now we're gonna add 1 1/4 cup of warm water. Give it a mix. Make sure you get it all over the place. There, now it's a pretty little ball. We're gonna cover it up. Oh, I hate plastic wrap. Ah! We've covered it, and we're gonna cover it until it reaches double the size. Doubled in size. Now that we have our dough, all we're gonna do is take it and fold it. It is still sticky. You can put flour on your hands, you don't need to. We're gonna fold it once, and we're gonna do this like 8 times. Claw. Bread. Flour. Cover this again for about 10 minutes. We're gonna let it preheat this in the oven on 450 degrees for about 30 minutes. I'm just gonna score the top of this. Just a little score. Ugh. It's been 30 minutes. Let's check him. Ooh! He's looking good. We're gonna put him back in the oven for another 15 minutes, uncovered. Ooh! Don't he look pretty? Wrap it up. Cut, cut, cut.